I need to find a way out, a way out. I just can't find the words to say now, to say now. Still holding my breath, still counting the steps it takes to get to you. Yeah. Counting the times I crossed the line and felt judged by you. I'm not bulletproof. Yeah. Banging on your door till you finally come through. Heart is so dark, can't say what I want to. Ooh. What's a man gotta do? What's a man gotta do to get close to feeling like I'm heading in the right direction? Always find myself coming back to the question. Ooh. What's a man gotta do? What's a man gotta do to get close to you? I spend my time in the shadows looking for proof, but I can't open the blinds no matter what I do. I'm climbing the walls but I fall and blame it all on you, and blame it all on you. Banging on your door till you finally come through. Heart is so tight, can't say what I want to. Ooh. What's a man gotta do? What's a man gotta do to get close to feeling like I'm heading in the right direction? Always find myself coming back to the question. Ooh. Yeah. What's a man gotta do? What's a man gotta do to get close to you? What's a man gotta do? What's a man gotta do to get close to you? Finally come through. Heart is tongue tied, can't say what I want to. Cause I feel like I'm heading in the wrong direction. Always find myself coming back to the question. Ooh. What's a man gotta do? What's a man gotta do to get close to you? What's a man gotta do? What's a man gotta do to get close to you?
I was fake sleeping in your backseat. You were singing badly. We both know you had me. We were shifting seasons, taking back roads. Where did all the time go? Lost in the crescendo. You're the loudest thing in my head, and I'd fallen over again. Love you, silver and gold, a billion or broke. I know I won't let you go. High places or low, sun blazing or cold. I know I won't let you go. I won't let you go. and I'd fallen over again. A lifetime watching it slip away. Battle lines clouding the picture frame. I could try to wipe my mind, but it still wouldn't erase the ache. It lives here in my veins, memories on replay. I'm standing with this white flag in my hand, trying to open up my arms again. Aren't you tired of always living on the run and setting fires? Darling, aren't you tired? You know no one's winning. Can we give it up and give it up? Clinging tight to our grudges like they could save us. When these walls we built so high, oh,